Hey, I'm Vanessa Joy. I'm going to give you 5 photography hacks of just fun things that you can do with your camera and some other cool stuff. Number 1, shoot through something. Find something to add color. This is pretty fun, so we're going to start here. All right, so that's one, and that's pretty fun. Before we jump into this, make sure that you download my free posing inspiration guide. We could all use some inspiration. Get that in the link below with lots of ideas on how to pose groups and individuals. I have another fun acrylic that can add some color, so let's see what this looks like. Next up, add a reflection by using like your mirror or perhaps your phone if you don't even have a mirror. Next up, we've got gels. So we can shoot through these or we can cover the light that is hitting her and let her whole face get colored. Let's try it out. All right, last thing I want to do is I want to try shooting with a little bit of rain, fake rain. So you've probably seen this done a million times before, but why not try it? I've never actually tried it myself, so that's really what we stumbled with. Take any picture frame, pop it out, and get only the glass. I'm giving away a camera. We're giving away a Canon camera, a ProPhoto A1X, a copy of my book, and a copy of Capture One version 20. There are lots of ways to enter, so make sure that you do. Check the link below and come back daily for new ways to enter this contest. Very dangerous, but anyway, hope you found some fun things to shoot with or fun things to shoot through. Give them a try, boost your creativity. Hit subscribe, ring the bell, and come back.